If you have got corrupted files on a drive, but you don't even know where the corrupted files are, watch this video to learn how to find corrupted files and then repair them. Click on Start and type command. Under the best match, you should see command prompt and then select Run as administrator. Type chkdsk, which is an abbreviation for chkdisk space J:. J is my drive that has got corrupted files. So you should type the letter of your drive space / scan. Enter. This would now start scanning your drive. It has already found some corrupted basic file structure and it gives you the file's location and says it's queued for offline repair. In stage 2, it examines file name linkage. Again, it finds corruption in index, for example 130, or finding an unneeded link, and under each one of them it says queued for offline repair. Scanning finishes in around 5 minutes and it says Windows has found problems that must be fixed offline. Please run chkdsk / spot fix to fix the issues, and that's exactly what we're gonna do to repair the corrupted files. So type chkdsk space your drive letter, for example J:, space / spot fix. Enter. Then you might get this message saying chkdisk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. So in order to run it, we need to dismount it first. Type Y to allow it to dismount and then press enter. And very quickly it finds the corrupted files and fixes them. For example, it says corruption found and fixed. At the end, it says Windows has fixed all previously identified issues with this drive. No further action is required. However, I suggest you to run another scan. So type chkdsk space your drive's letter, space / scan and then press enter. At stage 2, it still found a few unneeded links, but this time it says repaired online. And finally, at the end, it says Windows has found problems and they were all fixed online. No further action is required. However, I ran the scan one more time just to make sure, and this time it didn't find any corrupted files to repair online or offline. That means all my files in this drive are now repaired and there are no corrupted files. If this video helps you to fix your drive, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch my command prompt tutorials playlist, link in the description.